Hi, Jeff Whyte again. Today, I just wanted to remind us in the environment we're all living in day to day, the Biosan II, you know, a lot of the times we're relating this product purely for the COVID situation, but as a hospital grade disinfectant and incredibly good on mould and also any sort of remediation work in flood restoration, etc. But this is a fabulous all-rounder. So yeah, keep this one in mind, and also to get that sort of accreditation of hospital grade and also to be on the TGA website, it's got to be able to kill 4 types of bacteria in a laboratory. So like a commercial grade, you've only got to kill 2, but the higher grading, it's actually got to kill 4. So it takes a lot for them to get that approval through, but this is a fabulous product, great all-rounder. So in all types of environments. So keep an eye on this one, and people want that in their home, and they want it in commercial applications and everywhere, because it's whole thing that's happened in the last 6 months is the elevation of the cleaning industry across the board has been huge. Like, we've never been busier. So cleaning and sanitation is getting far more recognition than it ever did, which is fabulous for the industry and good for humanity, because we all need to be clean. Thank you.